So today, I'm body painting Reiju. Reiju is one of Sanji's siblings. They're kind of evil as fuck, okay? But Reiju is probably the least evil of them. The one with a heart, a little bit. I'm just trying to map out this paint first before I do anything. I feel like this part actually should hang lower. I did all that and then I wiped it away. Wiped it. Also just try and estimate where these lines are gonna be, because in order for me to like paint around it, I have to know where it's gonna go. The other thing is I am gonna have to adjust this when I don't have my tube top on, because like the lines are gonna look a little different when they're sitting a little less held, you know? I really like using these underneath my wigs and even underneath some of my body paints. But it is good for like hooking the bottom part of the wig, because I feel like just the shape of my head, the back doesn't stay on very good. So this part goes technically behind my ear. So lazily cover my eyebrows. And I say lazily only because there are people who do a whole ass thing to cover their eyebrows, but for me, a little bit of glue is enough. I call it lazy, but it's actually all I need. I think I'm gonna start laying the bottom stuff, but in order for that to happen, I do have to do my BRB screen. Clearly, I cannot do that on live stream on any platform besides the other one. This is the paint so far. Maybe it doesn't look like I painted much, but there is a blend of white, blue, and gray in the outfit. And once I start laying black lines, it will start to look better. look like I have no tattoos and I'm bald. Perfect. It really starts to pop. The black lines make the body paints. Like, I can make clothes look real if I really wanted to, but like, why would I want to when I can make clothes that looks like this? Probably gonna add in a little bit of white just to see if I can brighten up some spots that are dark, to try and help the illusion. Alright, so now I'm gonna try and do the top line and see if I can make it look just as clean. And then I'm probably gonna go for a puff, because like, I deserve a little break after these line works. Alright, how does the line work look? Just take a quick little break here. Just like a little tiny shadow, so it gives the piece that's holding the cape a little bit of depth, perhaps? I still have yet to paint my hands. My hands are my least favorite thing to paint. Just because basically, I don't know, they just are. Hands just happen to be like the most annoyingest thing to paint. Alright, lastly, for paint-wise, I definitely have to finish this piece right here, and then my hands. I'm almost done, I swear.
Let me get down.
What do you think? You like it? That's it. But I think it's pretty done. I don't think there's anything missing. I don't like it. I love it. Thank you. Good recovery. I really like it. I think it turned out really awesome. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here. All right, peace out. Bye.